it, yeah, had it for a minute from the mud I dropped. Being had a couple haters, yeah, had a couple haters, but the buzz won't stop. Took a bite of that pie, boy, I'm an American rolling rock. What they gon' say now, boy? Still slumming, I'm setting up shop. Yellow wolf, yeah, buddy, I'm a trailer park house, old name. I ain't gotta work another day in my life, I can't complain. But fuck a retirement plan, still looking at gym like you hiring, man. Took a vacation and spent half of the time pacing the floor, devising a plan. Gotta relax, but I got a big loan, homes, gotta repay Remax. Got it all pent up, gotta get these books so I don't end up in a ski mask. I'ma lift that truck, I'ma sip these drugs, I'ma go back home where the heat at. Take a look at the kill, baby, I got real. When I get to the top, I'ma ski back like a Canadian, send it. Give a fuck what you playing, what's trending. Billy's on the parade again with this. Gold teeth like an Arabian dentist. A Capricorn, I'm driven limitless. Can't lay around just laying down the business. You pay today to witness admission, or you can lay away, the gift is extended. Money in that big old truck, see me pulling up, that's money. Whiskey pouring up in the Dixie cup, that's money. My people in the club and they getting rough, that's money. Cause we don't give a fuck, we don't give a fuck about money. Every time I pretend, I go to work and in. When I pick up a pen, I'm going up and in. When I come into town, you know we pack them out. Cause every time I get down, it's coming back around. Every time I pretend, I go to work and in. When I pick up a pen, I'm going up and in. When I come into town, you know we pack them out. Cause every time I get down, it's coming back around.
Dance with devils, craze to levels. Love that bass, fuck the treble. My bitch 5'6" stilettos, still pull my strings like Tom Morello. I'ma strip it down to the bare wire, till the wheels fall off like a spare tire. Spit straight fire out the air fryer. Critics they can blow me like a hair dryer. Bad motherfucker since I came into the game. They best be watching what they say when they be talking about me. Miss me with the stupid shit, cause my whole team is stupid lit. Talking shit while doing it, Muhammad Ali. Woo! How to win it again. The losers are winning again. I'm sick of all these feminine men. I'm sick of all these industry pretend to be friends. Tell them, y'all.
In that big old truck, see me pulling up, that's money. Whiskey pouring up in the Dixie cup, that's money. My people in the club and they getting rough, that's money. Cause we don't give a fuck, we don't give a fuck about money. Every time I pretend, I go to work and in. When I pick up a pen, I'm going up and in. When I come into town, you know we pack them out. Cause every time I get down, it's coming back around. Every time I pretend, I go to work and in. When I pick up a pen, I'm going up and in. When I come into town, you know we pack them out. Cause every time I get down, it's coming back around.
Fresh out of prison, I got it. How I did it, that's logic. Hard work and no stopping. Seen a problem, I solve it. Feds asking, no comment. Money don't make me, I make profit. Everybody feeling hurt, Dave Chappelle. Cobalt Blue, SS Chevelle. Yeah, I'm extra hell. Oh, I guess they bailed. That's an epic fail, cause I'm blessed as hell. Funny to me that you dead in the water and I'm messing there. On a Tuesday night, I'm bad shit crazy, got them sick like China. Why all these dicks act like vaginas? I'm the guy at the bottom of the well that you wishing. Come up dry, just keep fishing. How the hell is you dissing? When I bought the pot that you pissing. There's a lesson here that you missing. Hold up, honey, Linda, listen. If you worth more, gotta work more. Still gonna run my mud mouth if I'm dirt poor. I'm a sinner but a church boy. Yeah, fuck a couple carats, I'm wearing some kind of turquoise.
In that big old truck, see me pulling up, that's money. Whiskey pouring up in the Dixie cup, that's money. My people in the club and they getting rough, that's money. Cause we don't give a fuck, we don't give a fuck about money. Every time I pretend, I go to work and in. When I pick up a pen, I'm going up and in. When I come into town, you know we pack them out. Cause every time I get down, it's coming back around. Every time I pretend, I go to work and in. When I pick up a